Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiny Leaf. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of flowers. Specifically, 15 flowers that you might call ugly, but actually add a unique charm to your garden. Let's get started. First up, we have the corpse flower, or Amorphophallus titanum. This giant flower is known for its strong odor. That's right, it smells like rotting flesh, but its size and striking appearance make it a real conversation starter. Next is the Rafflesia arnoldi, famous for producing the largest single flower in the world. While its appearance might be described as grotesque, it's definitely a rare find. Check out the dragon lily, with its dark purple flower and pungent smell. It's a unique addition that some may find unappealing, but it's a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4 is the voodoo lily. Its peculiar shape and odor attract flies, making it an interesting yet odd choice for your garden. Next, we have the naked lady, or Amaryllis belladonna. With its bare stem and blossoms, it might look a bit strange, especially since the leaves die back before flowering. The bat flower is up next. With its unique shape and long whiskers, this flower resembles a bat in flight. Definitely not your everyday flower. At number 7, we have the pineapple lily. Its spiky texture and whimsical look might not appeal to everyone, but it's certainly eye-catching. Similar to the corpse flower, the stinking corpse lily is known for its strong odor and unusual appearance. It's a true testament to nature's weirdness. Next up, the monkey face orchid. This flower has a playful appearance resembling a monkey's face. It's cute in its own quirky way. The lizard orchid is next, boasting a unique shape that resembles lizards. It's definitely one of the more unusual flowers out there. Coming in at number 11, we have the toad lily. With its spotted petals and quirky shape, this flower is sure to stand out in your garden. The moth orchid may be popular, but its flat shape can be seen as unattractive by some. Yet, it still has a certain charm. Next is the crown of thorns. With its spiky stems and small flowers, it might not be conventionally pretty, but it's a resilient plant. The Himalayan blue poppy is delicate and beautiful, but it can look wilted if not thriving. Still, it's worth the effort. Finally, we have the zebra plant. Its unique foliage and unusual flower spikes might not align with traditional beauty standards, but it adds character to any space. And that wraps up our list of 15 ugly flowers that can add character to your garden. Which of these flowers would you consider growing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.